In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started with the process. First, head over to the settings on your desktop. To do this, you can either click on the Start menu and find the gear icon, or you can simply right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu that appears. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll want to locate the Apps option. This is typically listed among the primary categories in Settings, and when you click on it, you'll see a list of apps installed on your computer. Now, in the search bar within the Apps settings, you can type Microsoft Teams. If you prefer not to use the search function, you can also scroll through the list to find the application. Once you've located Microsoft Teams, click on it to select it. After you've selected the app, you'll see some additional options appear. Look for and click on Advanced Options. This section contains various configurations and settings related to the app. Now you'll need to scroll down a bit until you reach the Reset section. Here you'll find a button labeled Reset. Click on this Reset button. Resetting the app can help resolve issues like crashing or freezing, and can also clear any unwanted data that might be causing problems. That's it. You've now successfully reset Microsoft Teams. Just a quick recap. You clicked into Settings, navigated to Apps, found Microsoft Teams either by searching or scrolling, accessed the advanced options, and then hit the Reset button. This simple process can often fix many of the common issues you might encounter while using the application. If you're looking to troubleshoot other applications, this method is quite similar for other programs in Windows as well. Remember, resetting an app will remove its data and might require you to log in again, so keep that in mind before proceeding. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Happy Teams resetting!